Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making onion capsicum rava masala. For this we need green chili, boiled potato, onions, coriander leaf, salt, sambar masala, capsicum, red chili powder, turmeric, butter, semolina. In a bowl, add half a bowl of semolina or rava, add 100 ml of water, add pinch of salt. Now in another bowl, add chopped onion, very finely chopped capsicum, potato, boiled and mashed, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of sambar masala powder, half a teaspoon of chopped coriander leaf. Mix it well, add salt to taste, mix it again, add green chilies and mix it. Your stuffing for rava masala dosa is ready. Now take a frying pan, add the mixture of semolina and water with coriander leaf and green chilies. Cover it and leave it for 1 minute on high flame. Now add half a teaspoon of butter. Add our masala. Spread it all over the dosa. Now cover it again and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, carefully roll it and your onion capsicum rava masala is ready. Thank you.